In this video guide, we're going to see how we can import external models in Enscape, and in this case I'm going to use Archicad, but similarly we can do it in other software, but I'm going to use Archicad for this video guide. So we can import models if we don't find what we're looking for in the Enscape libraries. So for that, you just go in the asset library. As you can see here, these are all objects from the Enscape library. Otherwise, you can go here in the file menu and you find different ways you can import external files into Archicad. So you have interoperability. This is for BIM, building information modeling, and then you have the external content section, and you have the libraries and objects. So this is where you want to go. This is where your object is going to be. It's going to be in a library, which is going to be an embedded library. So we're going to go down here and go for the format that we want to import. So you can import DWG, FBX, and then you have also possibility with a 3D as another format. So we're going to go with FBX. And let's get an FBX 3D model. So I will get it from Polyhaven, which is a website that we already saw in the various courses. And here we can get HDRIs, textures, and models. So HDRIs are for environments. So if you want illumination, reflections, background. Then you have textures. If you want to create materials, you can definitely do it also in Archicad, or you can directly do it in Enscape or any other software just by getting the textures. But in this video, we're going to concentrate here on the models. So go in the model and choose a model. You can also search for categories on the left side. So you have generic props, and then you have, also furniture. So I'm going to go with furniture, and I'm looking for a table. And then you have lighting, appliances, industrial, etc. So I'm going to scroll down. I want to use a table, this one here. It's called coffee table. So you can expand, you can see the preview, you can see the author, you can like the author, you can support the website, and etc. etc. Now at the bottom, you find the support. At the top, you find resolution of the texture, format, which is going to be FBX, and then you have the download button. So just click there and you're going to download a zipped folder containing the 3D model and the textures. Now, if you want to create models like this, you can use Substance 3D, and you will find a course in the channel. If you look for Substance 3D JBD Tube, or you can use also Blender to model, and also other software, similar software, but Blender is free and open source, so I suggest you check that. And then you have 3D character design course that is specific for digital sculpting and painting and etc. etc. For characters, but you can create essentially anything if you manage to create a character. Same thing goes for ZBrush, which is another course, again, that I suggest if you want to do those objects and you want to import your own objects. Otherwise, you can get any object from the web as long as it's going to be the format that are recognizable by Archicad in this case. So 3DM also from Rhino. And so we're gonna go with FBX. I'm gonna navigate in the folder where I store the FBX, which in my case is Polyhaven folder. You remember to extract the folder from the, you cannot leave the zipped folder, otherwise it won't be visible. So make sure you copy and paste outside or just extract in the folder, in a standard folder, okay? And then you get into the folder, select the FBX, and you have also a textures folder, but they are not visible here. We can only see FBX format. Open, and just say okay. You can see it's creating an embedded library. It's importing this into an embedded library with everything that you need. And so that's it. Once the process is finished, you successfully create the object, and now it's there in the project. If we go in, again, libraries and objects, if you go in the management of the library, so library manager, you will see the objects that you have imported and the textures. So you can see here I have Enscape assets that I imported from Enscape, and Enscape textures, and then FBX. So that's FBX textures, and it's there, so we can use it for our object. So that's the object also. And if you want, you click on the furniture object tool, which is in the toolbar of Archicad. So that's the way we can then insert it in the project. Now, if it doesn't show, the thing you can do is just do it again with the object tool selected. So just re-import it quickly with the object selected, and then you click, and it's going to be placed in there. There you go. Really easy. And then you can move it around. You can select it in Archicad and then move it around using the snaps, using the pop-up bar, so you can move it, rotate it. You can also resize it, but you cannot do it from here. I'm going to show you where. But essentially, I can arrange it and adjust it. So you have rotation also here, or you can also right-click to get the rotation and various editing tools that you will find in the Archicad video course. Right-click, go to the object settings, and here you can visualize it in 2D, in 3D. You can set up the pens, so basically anything about the visualization. And also you can override with the surface, and you can lock the proportions here, and you can change the size. So I think this is too big, so I'm gonna change the height to 45 instead of 52, and that will also scale down the other dimensions because I have locked the dimension. And down there again you have surfaces, meaning you can apply any material you want. So let's say okay, and now we should see the change. Yeah, it got a little smaller. We can do it even smaller if we want, but I think that's better. And then surface here, so options, objects, elements, and you can manage here surfaces. You can create a new surface at the bottom with the button, and then you can customize. You can make it transparent. You can make it any color. You can apply color. You can change the reflections, diffuse reflections, ambient reflections. You can change also the render engine, but in this case we're using Enscape. Otherwise you have other options also in Archicad for rendering, like redshift, and then here we can delete the texture and we can place another one. So I'm gonna navigate again into embedded library. I'm gonna look for the FBX textures, because this is FBX. So let me expand this so you can see a little bit better. FBX, there you go. That's the unwrap texture we are looking for. Apply it. Just turn down the transmittancy, transparency, whatever. We don't want glass. We want something opaque. Perhaps you can play with the reflections if you want to modify it a little bit. And of course, the rest is in the Archicad course. I just wanted to show you, if anything's wrong, you can always recreate the surface, which is basically the material, and apply it to your object. Just go in the object selection settings, go here, override in the model, look for the material, apply it, say okay, and the job is done. So that's all about this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more, and also check out other video courses and video guides already in the channel. Search for wherever you want in the search bar. And if you want to support us, thank us, join the channel as a supporter. Thanks, and see you in the next video.